You're such an inspiration.
So brave.
You remind me to be happy.
I love that you don't let it get you down.
Good for you.
It breaks my heart.
Look at you out and about.
You push us all to do better.
You are superheroes.
Really?
Yeah, we're superheroes, all right.
For getting the kids out the door on time.
We push strollers.
Io sono il passeggino.
Not that one, bro. We break phones.
But there's nothing special about us.
We have mortgages.
Messing with duvets.
Watch reality TV.
Pretend we're watching reality TV.
We're politicians and lobsters. Pension advisors.
We get married. We met on a blind date.
We can laugh at ourselves too.
We love our grannies.
And our goggles.
We pray 5 times a day. And no, I'm not praying for a cure. I'm praying for a new handbag.
We swipe right.
We go on first dates.
And get lucky too.
So are the pedestals on ice?
And the pity tolerated.
We're not special. That's not what it's like.
Non è la nostra realtà.
And only when you see us.
Wonderfully ordinary.
Wonderfully human. Only then
Can we all break down these barriers?
That keep us apart.
That's 1 billion people.